Hi, today we are in Granada to take you inside a workplace to show you what real Erasmus Plus internship looks like.
Okay.
Can you please tell your name and the field of your internship?
My name is Marián Provazník and I'm a student from Nové Mesto, which is in Slovakia. And my internship and study is networking and things about the PC and architecture of PCs.
Nice. How confused were you on your first day on a scale from 1 to 10?
I was very confused, and co-workers and the boss were very friendly and showed me here in the shop how is it going.
So it got better
Yes.
in time. Perfect. What's one thing that made the internship more easier, more fun? Probably the people?
Yes, the co-workers and the friendly behavior to me and coffees in the morning. It's very fun.
Of course. What is the highlight of this internship for you?
I don't have a highlight, but I have the feeling in the morning like I am happy to go to work and meet the people in the work. So it was
Nice,
the whole
very
2
lucky.
weeks. Yes.
If your friend asks you about an internship in Spain, what would your opinion or your advice would be?
I would go again. It was. I
So
love
you
it.
would repeat?
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you so much.